Let's do an example of factoring by grouping when you have 6 terms. So I'm going to just copy this problem over from the left side of my screen. There we go. So I have x to the 4th minus 6x cubed plus 5x squared minus 16x squared plus 96x minus 80. So you'll notice we have some like terms, but we're actually not going to combine them. So just like normal factoring by grouping, we're going to cut this in half, and then we're going to take a GCF out. So in my first 3 terms, I can take out an x squared. So I'm going to get x squared times x squared minus 6x plus 5. And then over here on the left, I'm going to take out a negative 16. When I do that, I'm going to be left with x squared, and I'm pretty sure I know this off the top of my head, but 96 divided by 16 is 6. So I'm going to get minus 6x plus 5. So just like normal factoring by grouping, you want these 2 leftover groups to match here, and they do. So we're going to take our matching group out to the front, and we're going to take our GCFs and put those in our second group, so x squared minus 16. Now we've started factoring this, but this is just not fully factored. So I'm going to factor the one in purple first. So if I do my big X method, I want to multiply to 5 and add to negative 6. So that's going to be negative 1 and negative 5. So that's pretty easy. And because our a value here, x squared, has a 1 in front of it, I can just jump right to my parentheses. So that's going to be x minus 1 and x minus 5. And then if I go over to my green group, x squared minus 16, that's the difference of perfect squares. So right, x squared, the square root of that is just x. Square root of 16 is 4. And we're going to get a plus and a minus in the middle for difference of squares. So my fully factored answer is all 4 of those groups. So like if I was doing this on the Delta Math website, I would just type all of that in as my answer. So just to show that we got this right, I'm going to type this in, fully factored. Hit submit, and there we go.